Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a maths presentation, number cards and beads. Enjoy it! Three. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17 beads. 25. 10. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 beads. 38. 10. 20. 30. 8. 38 beads. 38. 41. 10. 20. 30. 40. 1. 41 beads. 41. I have shown you the maths presentation, number cards and beads. Goodbye.